The guy probably came out here with his kid's shovel and buried this one.
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Oh, we got something already. 70 bucks a piece. This is crazy.
That's towing like crazy. Yeah, it's cut.
You gonna build a government for that cable, or who pays for it? Well, you make the money off the internet every month, right? What the heck? Look at that. See?
Oh, it's right there.
I just sliced it right now. Well,
Okay. Oh, that's part of it. Oh, yeah, it's right here.
what's up, you guys? Andre here with Jack of all trades. This morning we've got a pretty interesting job on the schedule. We're actually going to go help out another contractor with the project for my BNI group. What's going on, Brian?
What's up, Andre?
You already got it started?
Yeah, I just did.
Nice.
You know, this we had to do by hand anyway.
Yeah.
So we're going to connect the downspouts to the drain. I figured kind of grade it out to maybe here or so. Cut it back this way and this way to make a ditch.
Mm-hmm.
About 4 or 5 feet off of here. And I got to dig this out a little bit more to see if there's a crack on the outside.
Okay.
So I'll be doing that while you're back grading a little bit.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I figured we'd just run it around the tree.
I got a locked in 4x4 right now with the e-brake on, but I'm still going to put this down because it is pretty steep and I don't want my truck sliding when I'm unloading the skid. Grab these lighter ones. Oh no. Heavy one, push the lighter ones down. So this is where the gas line is coming. It's coming from under the main road over here. I don't see any marks from 811 for the water line, which is kind of a problem. I'm sure it's going somewhere here.
I would assume it'd be somewhere over there.
Yeah, right here. I see it. I think at some point they had crepe myrtles or something, because there's just like holes from the stumps that decomposed. Brian, do you have a certain spot you want me to start from? Do you want to go all the way to the driveway or no?
Yeah, all the way to the driveway.
All the way to the driveway? Okay. Okay. Where should I put the good dirt right now? You have a preference?
Yeah, I told her any extra dirt we have, we'll put it against the house and kind of grade it back this way some.
Up that house?
Yeah, that end over there.
Okay.
If you want to throw it in the front side of the corner, that'll be fine.
Okay.
I can smooth it out.
Oh, we got something already. Hope it's a dead line.
Probably is, but it works.
It's like an old alarm system maybe for low voltage.
Yeah.
gonna be a lot of dirt. You sure you want me to put it right there, or maybe put it right there or something, and then we'll grab it from there later? And
eventually we're gonna fill this in a little more after I get it dug. But we could put some more dirt on this edge.
So the main reason we need to dig this out and make it slope around the house is because whenever she gets really heavy rains over here, I mean, it goes over this and it starts attacking the house and it floods the house. So that's why we're trying to create this right here to prevent that from happening. the internet line right here?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, it's pretty big for an internet line, but I mean, maybe.
Cool. So did you find anything right here?
No, yeah, I just now got where they had sprayed. Going real slow.
Yep. Don't want to hit that, right?
Yeah, don't want to hit the gas line.
So what I'm doing is kind of like getting a line that's gonna go pretty deep, and then I'm kind of like scraping off the sides. That way it kind of makes like a little valley.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go more this way too, but we probably don't need to go more that way much just to fix it, right?
Yeah, I think you're right, yeah. And we're going to be putting the drain in here, so if you get it deep enough, then we could just lay the drain down, and then
Yeah.
we could just pack it back with the dirt on either side.
Mm-hmm. Yep. But this right here, her level is pretty fine. The only problem is this right here. It loops up. So if we just destroyed this,
Yeah.
it'll be perfect.
Yeah, that's why I was telling her that we would grade it from the sidewalk
Mm-hmm.
and then cut it a little further deep here so we get a little valley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Should be fine.
With the wheelbarrow? Nah. As y'all see, I don't have a tilt attachment, but if you dig under like a straight line, then you can kind of adjust the mini skid sideways like that, like have this side of the track in the hole and then the other one on top of the grass. And when you're grading, it kind of creates it like you have a tilt attachment, honestly. So I was right. There was crepe myrtle trees planted under here because you can still see the roots. They're rotted for the most part, but the big ones still have a little bit of life left in them. A trencher would be nice on a job like this, but I don't know if it would make the hole wide enough for those things. You might need a mini X. I'm gonna take my sweater off. It is getting a bit hot. I might have to dig it more.
Yeah, just a little bit more. As long as we're close to the top of the ditch, is the top of the pipe sock.
Yeah.
Do you have a hoe with you?
A what?
A hoe?
Like a backhoe?
No, it's a hand tool. They use it for gardening. It's a square metal head. You can put it in the ground and pull it, and it pulls dirt.
No, I don't have that.
I don't have mine with. I don't think I have one with me. So I've got this one. It's a trenching shovel.
Oh yeah, I have one of those at home. Should have probably brought it.
I forgot.
But this thing is too big for that shovel either way. I first dug in about a shovel head, but honestly that's not enough due to how bulky these things are. It is a lot of styrofoam, so it will compact down, but I gotta go back and dig a little more first. we got the Spectrum truck out here because the homeowners lost internet, unfortunately.
Trying to point the finger at them for not marking it.
Right, it's not marked, but I don't see it being hit unless it got hit somewhere here.
Maybe.
But
Unless
it's over.
Unless it's that orange cable, but
It has to be this.
it's not broken.
Yeah.
Maybe the fiber optic cable inside was broken. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But honestly, it doesn't make sense because you would see it. It's cut?
Yeah.
Where?
175 feet from that pole, so it's probably over here. Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's towing like crazy. Yeah, it's cut. It's too high to grab my tongue. But it's cut.
He said it's cut, so I guess we'll have to see where.
It's cut.
That's what he said, but I don't see it, so
But
he'll have to
it's-
dig it out.
Yeah, I mean,
How deep are they supposed to be buried?
It's supposed to be 12 inches, but you know that's not true. It never goes that deep.
Yeah, this is
Nowhere
like
close.
2, 3, maybe.
It's supposed to be 12. It's supposed to be, but contractors never really do it that.
Yeah, the scary thing is when the gas line's not deep enough.
This one, whatever. There's no voltage on it. There's nothing there.
Yeah. Do you get calls like this all the time? Yeah. We try to be real careful and didn't see it ripped anywhere, so.
you think it might be the cable on the inside? No.
He said it's supposed to be buried 12 feet though.
Supposed to be.
It's
12
not.
feet down?
Yeah.
12 inches.
Oh,
12
okay.
inches,
Yeah.
not feet, my bad.
Yeah. Because I told him we'd only be digging down like a shovel head, like a foot.
Oh, yeah.
32 feet it's got from here.
32 feet.
So it's probably right near there.
Does it loop like this?
So it looks like it goes around this plant. It's probably gonna go, it's gonna probably follow the sidewalk, go up the driveway and straight over.
Oh, okay, well.
All right, let's find it, I guess.
Yeah, it's like cut around here. You see how it was
Well, we
towing
didn't
there?
even dig right here, pretty much.
Yeah, when they lost the connection, it was well before we got here. Probably an hour before we got here.
Yeah.
Like I'm here, I'm digging.
I want to see where, because that's the interesting part.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure he'll find it because he's got to fix it.
Do you run a whole new line, or you typically just reconnect it wherever it's cut?
Since it's fresh, I can just probably repair it. But if it's cut more than once, it's a whole new line.
Okay. I'm assuming it's free, right? The repairs?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't stress about that.
I mean, I wasn't stressing because I called before you dig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're fine. We don't charge you guys anyway. We don't do anything like that. We only charge AT&T when we cut our.
Yeah, it's crazy because like one time when I bought my house, the internet cable ran on top of the septic. So when they dug out the lid,
Yeah.
they ripped the internet line.
Oh man.
And like, dude, how on earth is it gonna be right on top of the lid?
Yeah.
So that was interesting.
What probably happened is you guys probably went down, hit it, and didn't even see it. That's probably what happened. It happens all the time.
Yeah, maybe right there, honestly, because this is really the only area we went down.
It doesn't feel like anything else except the root. That's all it feels like.
Like, look, right here, I barely even cut anything.
Yeah, I think it's further up because the internet went out before we even had dug.
It is 32 feet. So
Okay.
it's 32 feet from this point. So that's what, 6 feet?
Gotta get back to the grind, Brian.
Yeah. Trying to get done. I just got another job I got to go do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah, one of my guys have to be there in the next 2 hours.
Oh wow, nice.
Emergency stuff.
I was gonna put tone on the line. I'm gonna go off.
If it's cut right there, it's definitely not us. That was Mother Nature.
Maybe it's that other drain line right there because I did that this morning.
What do you think?
That downspout.
It could be closer to the house. They run it really weird.
You can't just trace it from straight back where the
I can, but it's underground. So what this does is puts tone in the line, and wherever it's leaking from, and wherever it's open, it's going to create a tone.
Make sure the machine's on.
It is.
Well, maybe it's further up.
I mean, 32 feet can't be that further up.
So does it beat the entire length of the line?
No, it shouldn't.
It's not far. I mean, it's like 20 minutes. Depending where it's at, like 20 minutes. But, you know, if they can get there and do the scope and get the hard part done, I'll be done through like an hour and a half. And I can do it. As long as they can get there and figure out what the fuck.
What the heck? Right here?
Let me see.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. That doesn't
Look at that.
It's
See?
Oh, it's right there.
I just sliced it right now. Well,
Oh, that's part of it. Oh, yeah, it's right here.
Oh man, listen to that wonderful sound.
Yeah, it's
all
cut
day.
right here.
what the heck though? Yeah, I guess.
Well, if it's only 3 inches down, I mean.
No, this wasn't. This was on top.
But it was cut here. And then
Yeah.
So that little bit you can pay it.
it's a whole new line.
Oh,
You're gonna have to run a whole new line.
It's gonna be 2 splices in it instead of just the one. That's no problem. But I'm gonna run it wide. I don't know how far you guys have to come this way.
We're not going that way, so if you can come like this and just loop around the
I'm
grass.
gonna go around this tree here and into the house.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
It's no problem.
You gonna build a government for that cable, or who pays for it?
We do.
You do? Well, you make the money off the internet every month, right? So I.
When AT&T does it, then they can charge them.
We charge AT&T for it.
How much does AT&T pay when they rip it?
About 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Per house?
Per drop.
Nice.
My goodness.
So they pay for the material and for the berry.
Good.
Yeah, it's right here.
Might as well
These
just
berries
pull
are
it.
expensive.
I don't understand how I got sliced. Maybe my tooth or something, but.
Oh.
It was a clean break too, because it's 175 feet, 32 feet. It was clean.
What does that mean when it's a clean break?
So like it wasn't nicked or anything. Typically when it's like kind of nicked, they'll kind of have. But you guys went straight through it.
Yeah, I think so. That bad boy.
The blade wise just hit it.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Well, I guess you gotta charge the guy that buried it, right? Because you guys don't do it yourself. You guys hire a company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The guy probably came out here with his kid's shovel and buried this one.
He just stuck it in the ground, moved it left and right, put the pipe.
He used
down.
the rake just to move the grass. When would you charge a homeowner for ripping one out?
If they keep doing it.
If they keep doing it?
Yeah, so if they are actually ones responsible for it. Like if they don't call to get everything marked and they just keep cutting it or they cut it, we'll charge for it.
But if they call and the line's not marked, then you can't charge them, obviously, yeah? This one wasn't marked though, right? We didn't see the mark anywhere.
No. You guys are good.
Yeah, but it might be worth the gamble for them, honestly, because you have to think, if they don't send anyone out here to mark it, they save money. What are the chances that it's gonna get cut, you know?
Yeah. Well, I think that's why a lot of utilities are just dug down. So it's not like we're running.
From my experience, nothing here is dug deep. I'm ripping a cable every house I dig. And it's not even my fault. Like one time, I was removing leaves and the cable was on top of the grass, hidden under leaves. Dude, I didn't even go underground and it sliced it. Mm-hmm.
Oh well.
Dude, there's a sinkhole right here.
Oh man.
That's crazy. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Alligator coming out in a sec.
Oh, well, get a little bigger.
That's insane. I've never seen that before.
Maybe it's like a old like gopher or something.
Watch one jump out.
Oh. Oh, I think
Well, it's nice because, oh no, might have been a root that died or something.
there's the water line.
That better not be the water line.
It's a root.
Do people accidentally call you when they hit gas lines or no? No, you never had a call like that? Do they keep you busy enough with the job back to back, or they just let you chill in the truck when there's not going on?
There's nothing going on. We kind of just hang out. There's not much. Right, winter's slow for us.
Yeah.
But once summertime picks up, we're working a lot.
I can see that. People are, oh, I want to do something around the house. Smash.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Or,
Yeah.
Spring season's probably the biggest, huh?
But it's a lot of different things. Like this is pretty straightforward. We can go through this a lot. But it's also a lot of like people don't know how to use internet or cable boxes or something like that. We're going over there. Their Samsung TV's not working. I'm like, it's not our fault.
Yeah.
Like, what do you want from us?
Yeah. Check your connection.
Pretty much.
Check your
Yeah.
phone. You check your connection to your internet first.
Yeah. But we climb poles. We do a bunch of stuff.
So many roots on this side. It's actually very soft right here, Brian.
Nice.
But it's not clay. Where's the main city fiber line? Because it probably runs somewhere through here, right?
Sugar Hill. Yeah, everything's fiber. So it's called an HFC network, so it's hybrid fiber coax. So everything's coax until a certain point, and then all hits fiber lines.
How thick is the fiber line?
Giant.
But do you know where it is on this property, or you would never
fiber
know?
on this property. It's all coax. So if you go down the street, if you see this big giant white box on top of a pole, that's all a node. That's where all the fiber and coax come into. So it goes coax into it and the fiber out to Sugar Hill.
If you hit that line, you're done, yeah?
Yeah, that's a bad line to hit.
How much does that one cost?
$25 a splice, then it's about 200 lines in there.
Double it, so $9,000
Plus
for splicing.
the work to do it. That's just for the actual per splice, so not the actual hourly rate the employee's also getting for doing it.
Yeah. So 9,000 plus the hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably gonna be like
If you hit that, you're
15
done.
grand.
Yeah.
15 grand? Wow.
That's why you don't see a lot of underground fiber lines, because people have hit it, but they exist. You gotta be careful about it.
Do you know how deep those lines have to be?
Very deep. Pretty deep.
Okay, good. Imagine they made you hand dig it out and bury it while you... They do?
It's under 100 feet, yeah. No bores, under 100 feet, we hand bury.
Brian dug this out right here. I'm gonna finish digging it, that way we can connect. And then we'll see if we need to go more down. But this is a pretty big valley right here. Shouldn't have any issues with more water problems, because it's all sloping away from the house and that property. It's like it goes like this pretty much.
Tip off.
So if you cut this off, you can connect into another.
Just snap right into it. Yeah.
So that's what you're gonna do on this one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, you have to use metal screws. If you don't use metal screws, it won't go in the downspout.
Huh. What kind of other screws are there out there?
Most of them are like wood.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Let me know when you got it connected. Good? I'm glad I ended up bringing this bucket, because it's gonna work out perfectly fine, because I'm gonna be able to fit on this side and scoop this extra dirt out. this one's locked in, but this one right here being a troublemaker again. Georgia red clay, huh? Yep. You don't have to plant grass, right?
Well, no. Yeah, I'm not doing grass. Yeah. You want to throw them in that thing?
Yeah, we can.
All 5 at once?
Yep.
I was looking this way. I thought, oh, we could use that dirt here. And then I turned around and saw that big ass pile.
Yeah, it's 2 big piles. We dug in quite a bit.
Yeah. I think this is good. I don't think we need to do anything else with it.
Yeah, this is not a bad drop right here, and then it loops up, so this should catch pretty much all of it.
Yeah.
was a grind, Brian. It definitely was, huh?
Yeah, it was.
You said an hour and a half like 3 hours ago.
Sometimes it happens, though.
Yeah, exactly, man. You never know. You look like you're almost done, but in reality, you're so far from being done.
Yeah.
You can leave that blower because I'm gonna have to clean up that driveway better. Probably brush and then blow it.
Well, the battery's dead.
Okay, then I'll have to swap it. I'm not sure if you guys can see this on camera, but the yard is basically sloping like this. Then we got a flat spot where the gravel is in the drain. Then it's sloping back up. This right here should prevent the water from going up to the house and going around it instead. I have something like this installed at my house, but there's no drain under. It's literally just the yard sloped and it loops around. I never had a problem with the water going inside the house. And then we got more dirt added over here. This is where I had that other pile of dirt. It's all removed to the back, but then we got the drain going down past the house right there. Putting away plywood by hand absolutely sucks. Check out this fat bolt in front of me. This thing is huge and it says hustle on it. I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming. Today was honestly a grind, but we got the job knocked out. I made $1,000 on this project right here. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I just had to stop real quick, get some diesel for the truck and machine, but I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.